Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Welcome to Vedajanani. Narayaniyam, Dashakam 10. Varieties in creation. Shishti Bhedaha. All the shlokas in Dashakam 10 will be chanted in Vasanta Tilakam. Shloka 1. Hey Guruvairappa, with your blessings and grace, Brahma became powerful and created many living entities like the trees, animals, birds, human beings, and gods. वैकुण्ठवर्धितबलोऽथ भवत्प्रसादात् अम्भोजयो निरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान् स्थास्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम् जातिं मनुष्यनिवहन् अपि देवभेदान् वैकुण्ठवर्धितबलोऽथ भवत्प्रसादात् अम्भोजयो निरसृजत् किल जीवदेहान् स्थास्नूनि भूरुहमयानि तथा तिरश्चाम् जातिं मनुष्यनिवहानपि देवभेदान्. Shloka 2. Shloka 2. Brahma created false indiscipline, selfish ego, attachment, anger, and fear, the five-fold effects of ignorance from tamasic guna. But then he regretted his action and felt extremely sad. So, to purify himself, he meditated on you, Madhava. मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मतिरागविकोपभीतिः अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा उद्दामतामसपदार्थविधानतूनस्तेने त्वदीय चरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै मिथ्याग्रहास्मि मतिरागविकोपभीतिः अज्ञानवृत्तिमिति पञ्चविधां ससृष्ट्वा उद्दामतामसपदार्थविधानधूनस्तेने त्वदीयचरणस्मरणं विशुद्ध्यै. Shloka 3. Hey Achyuta, Brahma created from his mind the four sages, Sanaka, Sananda, Sanatana, and Sanatkumara, whom he ordered to proceed with the creation process further. But they did not pay attention to Brahma's words, as they were intensely in devotion at your feet, Krishna. तावत् ससर्ज मनसा सनकं सनन्दं भूयः सनातन मुनिं च सनत्कुमारम् ते सृष्टिकर्मणि तु तेन नियुज्यमानाः त्वत्पादभक्तिरसिका जगृहुर्नवाणीम् तावत् ससर्ज मनसा सनकं सनन्दं भूयः सनातन मुनिं च सनत्कुमारम् ते सृष्टिकर्मणि तु तेन नियुज्यमानाः त्वत्पादभक्तिरसिका जगृहुर्नवाणीम्. Shloka 4. Brahma tried to keep his anger because of his sons, the four sages. Then, from the space between his eyebrows emerged Mrida, Shiva. That is, the anger controlled by Brahma became Mrida, which is thus a part of your incarnation. Mrida cried out on Brahma to give him a name and a place. Hence, he was called Rudra, otherwise the one who cries. तावत् प्रकोपमुदितं प्रतिरुन्धतोऽस्य भ्रूमध्यतो जनिमृडो भवदेक देशः नामानि मे कुरु पदानि च हाविरिञ्चेत्यादौ रुरोद किल तेन स रुद्रनामा तावत् प्रकोपमुदितं प्रतिरुन्धतोऽस्य भ्रूमध्यतो जनिमृडो भवदेकदेशः नामानि मे कुरु पदानि च हाविरिञ्चेत्यादौ रुरोद किल तेन स रुद्रनामा. Shloka 5. Hey Madhava, Brahma at your instance gave 11 names and 11 forms to Rudra, and also one each of wife and place to the 11 forms. Then Brahma with respect told Rudra to help him in the creation process. एकादशाह्वयतया च विभिन्नरूपम् रुद्रं विधाय दयिता वनिताश्च दत्त्वा तावन्त्यदत्त च पदानि भवत्प्रणुन्न प्राह प्रजा विरचनाय च सादरं तम् एकादशाह्वयतया च विभिन्नरूपम् रुद्रं विधाय दयिता वनिताश्च दत्त्वा तावन्त्यदत्त च पदानि भवत्प्रणुन्न प्राह प्रजा विरचनाय च सादरं तम्. Shloka 6. Parandama, Rudra's creation consisted of fierce-looking Rudras, which were filling up the 3 worlds. Brahma became frightened by them and, urged by you, directed Rudra to stop the creation activity and get engaged in penance for the welfare of the world. रुद्राभिसृष्ट भयदाकृतिरुद्र संघ सम्पूर्यमान भुवनत्रय भीतचेताः मामा प्रजा सृज तपश्चर मंगलाये याचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा रुद्राभिसृष्ट भयदाकृतिरुद्र संघः सम्पूर्य मान भुवनत्रय भीत चेताः मामा प्रजा सृज तपश्चर मंगलाये याचष्टतं कमलभूर्भवदीरितात्मा. Shloka 7. Hey Keshava, after commanding Rudras, Brahma from the various parts of his body, who was keen on proceeding with creation, emerged Atri, Angiras, Kratu, Pulaha, Pulastya, Bhrigu, Vasishtha, Daksha, and your most dedicated devotee at your feet, sage Narada. तस्यात सर्गरसिकस्य मरीचिरत्रिः तत्राङ्गिराकृतमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः अंगादजायत भृगुश्च वसिष्ठदक्षौ श्रीनारदश्च भगवन् भवदङ्घ्रिदासः. तस्याथ सर्गरसिकस्य मरीचिरत्रिः तत्राङ्गिराकृतमुनिः पुलः पुलस्त्यः अंगादजायत भृगुश्च वसिष्ठदक्षौ श्रीनारदश्च भगवन् भवदङ्घ्रिदासः। Shloka 8. Vasudeva, Brahma created Dharmadeva and sage Kardama and thereafter Saraswati. He was infatuated with Saraswati, his own creation. But prompted by you, Krishna, and the advice of Sanaka, Daksha, and other sons, he gave up his desire, which was ignorance. Dharmadikanapi srujannath kardamam cha vanim vidhaya vidirangaja sankulo bhoot. त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्ष मुखैस्तनूजैः उद्बोधितश्च विररामतमो विमुञ्चन्। धर्मादिकानपि सृजन्नथ कर्दमं च वाणीं विधाय विधिरङ्गजसङ्कुलो भूत्। त्वद्बोधितैः सनकदक्ष मुखैस्तनूजैः उद्बोधितश्च विररामतमो विमुञ्चन्। Shloka 9. Hey Krishna, Brahma with his 4 faces brought out Vedas and all the Puranas and the branches of Puranas and taught them to his sons. But still he found out that his functions were not advancing satisfactorily. Therefore, he took refuge again at your lotus feet, Krishna. Vedan Purana Nivahanapi Sarva Vidyaha Kurvan Nijanana Gana Chaturananosau पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय सर्गवृद्धिम् अप्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितो भूत्। वेदान् पुराण निवहानपि सर्वविद्याः कुर्वन् निजानन गणाच्चतुराननोऽसौ पुत्रेषु तेषु विनिधाय सर्गवृद्धिम् अप्राप्नुवंस्तव पदाम्बुजमाश्रितो भूत्। Shloka 10. Hey Purushottama, Brahma, becoming aware of you and the procedure of creation, split himself into 2 parts, Manu and his wife Shatarupa, and acquired thereby the male and female aspects. Hey Govinda, Guruvayurappa, through Manu and Shatarupa, who has been multiplying the human population, kindly eradicate completely all my ailments also, Guruvayurappa. Janan upaya matha deha majo vibhajya Stri pumsa bhavam abhajan manu tadvadubhyam Tabhyam cha manusha kulani vivardhayam stvam Govinda maruta puradhiparudhirogan Janan upaya matha deha majo vibhajya Stri pumsa bhavam abhajan manu tadvadubhyam Tabhyam cha manusha kulani vivardhayam stvam Govinda maruta puradhiparudhirogan Sarvatra Govinda nama sankirtanam Govinda Govinda. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.